iPad Pro 10.5. Apparently it was liquid damaged and they were able to clean it up, but it is still failing TriStar according to them. We are going to confirm this by running a few tests with our own TriStar testers, or our own testers rather. One is a TriStar tester. You need to run. Pass DocFlex. This may take a while. I'm gonna go grab my coffee. And fail. Man, I wish I could fast forward that for myself. Okay, we'll look at the details more. And it's failing everything pretty much on TriStar. TriStar Hydra. But we'll confirm with a second independent source. As soon as we get our battery reconnected. This one shouldn't take as long. It's usually fairly immediate. And TriStar Hydra fail. Alright. So what we'll be doing today is a TriStar Hydra repair. And I will get prepped for that and we'll be back. Okay, I think we're ready to attempt this. I'm going to throw up my temperatures while I set up my equipment. So the Atten, we will use hot air to remove the shield. I'm going to try 300, but we may end up going up to about 380. I don't know yet. I don't expect to use a WXP 120, but that would be the temperature I use it at. And I don't expect to use the Pico pencil either, but that would be the temperature I use it at. Alright, for this one, I'm probably going to keep the big nozzle on to get the shield off, and then we'll switch to the small. I'm going to need my other glove. Alright, let's see how I can grab this thing. Like so. Very well. Try 300 first. Hopefully this is not high temperature. I can't really remember. I'm probably going to prep by removing these stickers and stuff though. For sure. Alright. I think I'll stick at least a shim. Connector there. Hopefully it'll stay in place well enough. At least long enough for me to pull this thing. And my nozzle's in the wrong direction because I was heating stuff from below on something the other day. Alright, let's grab this thing. I'll probably have to go up in temperature, but we'll go gradual. Of course, I saw Jessa Jones the other day say she just comes in with a high temperature and pulls. That might just be the way to go too. But, yeah, I don't want to go 480, but let's go 380. Pull as fast as we can. Surely it's not going to have to be higher temperature than that. Alright, what am I missing here? Does this thing just pop off? That's going to make me angry. No, it does not. Okay. Finally. Okay. After the shield struggle, turn the air off. I'm going to grab my small nozzle. Back on. Alright, we'll grab our eye and easy tweezers and add a little bit of flux. Alright, let's remember orientation. Orientation is facing that way. So pin 1 is right here where those two filters are. .380 full airflow. Alright. Successful pull. Set that aside. Now, what I want to do is come in with some leaded solder, and then once we've mixed some leaded solder in there, we will flatten them out. Probably a little more flux in there too. And I put the top back on the flux. It's early. I haven't had enough coffee. Coffee. Alright, that seems reasonable. Let's grab another chip. Alright, so orientation was like so. And I'm gonna hope he is solidly held. He is. Alright, let's bring the sauce. Make sure I didn't accidentally nudge anything. Got a little bit low there. So. Alright, we look alright. Alright. And he is in place. Let's clean up. Alright. Let's give it a quick test. And see if we pass our tristar this time. And this will give me a chance to drink more coffee. Because even when it passes. It's kind of slow. And that's a pass, but we will confirm on 2 independent testers. This one will take no time usually. Alright. Guess I could flip that around so you can actually read it. Okay, everything has passed. So, and I'm actually going to add this part to the video. I forgot to put the shield back on. We're not done yet. We need this little shield bugger back on here. So, I'm actually going to use my Pico pencil on this one because I have a nice little blade tip for it that tends to work pretty well on this type of stuff. I'm not going to worry about these joints between the battery connector and the shield. No point in threatening the battery connector. Alright, very good. That is good enough. And that'll do. Alright. That is it for this video. I do not have the whole unit, so I can't show you the completed final results. But anyway, that was a 10.5 iPad Pro 10.5 TriStar replacement. and that's the process I use to replace them. If you have any questions about the equipment I use, everything should be linked in the description below. If you like this video, hit the like button on your way out, and if you like this type of content, hit subscribe and maybe the notification bell, and you'll see when I post videos, which is about 2 times a week at this point. I really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.